Hello students, today we are going to discuss in English class 10 unit number 4 the diary of Anne Frank. Generally writing a diary really a great experience for anyone because it will give us the memories in the future what happened in the past. That is why it is always necessary to write down a diary, and it is also an art. Here, writing in a diary was really a strange experience for Anne as she was writing it for the first time. Here, she was feeling that nobody would be interested in the musings of the 13 years old girl. But in her state of depression, as she was dejected little bit because she wanted a companion, and only companion she found in the diary. So here this chapter is a part of Anne Frank's diary. Here she tells us about the early days of her life. She says that she decided to start writing a diary because she didn't have any friend. She was born on 12th of June 1929. She had a sister who was 3 years older than her, and all were living in Frankfurt until she was 4. But unfortunately, her father has to immigrated to Holland in 1933 because this period was of the German occupation of the Netherlands. That is why their family has to hide during the time of the 1942 to 1944, and it was the time of the Second World War. It is one of the world's most widely known books she has written as Anne Frank's diary. Now we will go for second slide. Anne Frank was sent thereafter to Montessori school and stayed there. She was 6, and she wrote that she had loving parents and a 16-year-old sister whose name was Margot. There were about 30 more people whom she could call her friends. She also had a family, loving aunts, and a good home, but still she wanted a true friend, which she found in the form of a diary, and that diary was named as a kitty. And now what happened? When Anne was in the 6th standard, her teacher was Mrs. Cooperus. She was the principal, headmistress, and at the time of the departure, farewell, all the students cried on the farewell of Mrs. Cooperus, and thereafter she was living with her grandmother. There was a true bond of love for each other, and she was given a beautiful bondage in the depiction and in the narration of this particular diary. But unfortunately, the grandmother died before an operation was to be performed, and it was a very, very shocking and dolorous event for her life. And Anne had no one in whom she could confide the feeling of her heart. So she decided to make her diary to her friend, Kitty, as her friend. On Saturday, 20th June 1942, Anne made the first entry in the diary, named Kitty, and describes her experiences even with her mathematics teacher, Mr. Kissing. Generally, most of the mathematics teachers are very strict and stern, and they should be. Otherwise, what will happen? Maths is comparatively little bit a boring, full of burden subject for most of the students. So, it is necessary to know regarding most of the mathematicians or mathematics teacher. Mr. Kissing was also one of them. And after Montessori Nursery School, what happened? On the day of their result, all the students were nervous. Out of their 9 teachers, regarding Mr. Kissing, who was also one of them, but he was always annoyed with her. And Anne writes that Mr. Kissing punished her for talking in the class. As she was too much talkative, she was considered as a chatterbox. Chatterbox means the person who is too much talkative will be considered as chatterbox. He gave her extra homework. He asked her to write an essay on a chatterbox. What a funny title to write on, because that title was appropriate for Anne, as she was too much talkative girl. Anne wrote it, but she again talked in the class. Now Mr. Kissing asked her to write an essay on an incorrigible chatterbox. Here, incorrigible means the person cannot be corrected. If there is any kind of the habit, if we are not able to make improvisation over it, then it will be considered as the incorrigible. So again, the title is also funny, an incorrigible chatterbox. Mr. Kissing liked the essays which were written by Anne Frank, but Anne did not give up the habit of talking in the class. So again punishment in the form of writing essay. Now the Mr. Kissing asked her to write an essay on an unusual title. Unusual title that was Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox, and wrote this essay in the form of a poem. It was about a mother duck and the father swan. The father beat the 3 ducklings to death because they quacked too much. They were making noise too much. That is why they were killed. So it was actually a satire on Mr. Kissing, because Mr. Kissing was repressing the feelings of Anne. But he took the joke in the right way, and he read the poem to Anne's class and other classes also. He allowed Anne to talk thereafter in the class and never again gave her extra homework. But Mr. Kissing now was changed person. He also started cutting jokes in the classroom. Now in this unit we shall discuss some of the phrases. Get things off one's chest means feel relieved. Confide in means to share one's secret with someone. Jot down means make a note of something. Plunge in means rush into something. Plunk down means put down in a casual way. Quake in one's boot means shake with fear and nervousness. Old fogey means old-fashioned person. For ages means for a very long time. Ramble on means talk or write without aim for a long time. Come up with means bring forth or discover or produce. Inherited traits means quality that one gets from one's parents. Chatterbox, an extremely talkative person. On the contrary means in opposition to what has been stated or what is expected. So you all will have to write down the questions which are given in exercise of the textbook. Thank you.